if you want to change your iPhone ringtone to any song or sound on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to set it. So first of all, iPhone is much different than Android. In Android, in just downloading MP3 file, you're gonna be able to set the audio as a ringtone for your Android. However, in iPhone, you need to go through certain channels, right? So first of all, go ahead to the settings, the legal way, and then go to the sounds and haptics. And then basically what you're gonna do, go ahead to the ringtone, and then you're gonna click right here, the tone store. The legal way, or the proper way, the best way to get the best audio possible is to go to the Apple Music, right? And then just purchase any sound from here, right? As you can see, it's very cheap, right? And then just set it as your new ringtone, right? And you're gonna be able to see that sound being uploaded right here. You're gonna be able to see it, all right? And you're gonna be able to set the new ringtone that applies on text tone, new voicemail, and all that. All right. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.